daming mga Christmas decor, guys.
Good morning, Philippines!
Hi, guys. Good morning, guys. Tommy's here. Early in the morning. Oh, this light is really nice. Is this yellow light or white light?
Not white light.
Looks like it's nice white. So what's the problem? Did you try the camera? Last night he stopped working with this, and then now he early. He continue, and I just kind of changed because it's chilly. I need a heavy coat, but it's really cold today. Anyway, good morning. Oh, today is Tuesday. Freezing, guys. Freeze. Ang ginaw. I'll get another sweater, han. Yes, ito yung pangpawala sa ginaw talaga. Good morning! Good morning, guys! You need gloves, Google? No. So, ito yung ginawa ni Tommy, guys. Tignan nyo, guys. He put something under here. Look at it. This is where supposedly the blade for cutting the grass. And this is good with the snow thrower. They call it thrower. So, what are you gonna do? Is this... But you told me there is a clutch under there. Huh?
Yeah, but it's not a cable. This is bar here.
Oh, what is that for?
This is to turn it. So turn the direction you have blow snow.
This is the head of lawnmower, guys. Tinanggal parang si Power Rangers robot. Si Orange. Tinanggal niya doon. Tingnan niyo ang pangit.
You want to be on this side? You want to put the words outside of that?
You have to sit down, hon. Hello, it moves. It doesn't move. I guess we're gonna go to Lowe's because we got this from Lowe's. Lowe's. No, we only just leave it for now over there. I need to eat a little bit. Okay guys, kain na ako guys para hindi ako ma-kulapsi. Kasi yun yung feeling ko kapag gutom. Hi guys! Yeah. We are heading to Lowe's. And then we're gonna go to Walmart. We're gonna go to Walmart first. Lowe's first. And then Walmart. Okay, tell me what we need. Oh, hello, there's a FedEx. I will write it down.
We need grease. Garage door grease for the...
What else? For the lawnmower, 28-8.
20-8.
That's it? Let this move out for now. No, you get colors already.
That's what I said, they don't need colors.
Yeah. Wow. Guys, it was really freaking hard to build that shit on.
We're not done.
Where? Here's a load. Hello, my color. Oh, nice Christmas tree. 20 bucks. Huh?
Do it all the time and just try it all the time.
Yeah. Ang daming mga Christmas decor, guys. Ang ganda.
Okay, so we're getting the grease.
Oh, like this is the brother. Like, how is that, Joy?
Yeah.
Nice. Right here is nice. Did you see that, guys? This one right here. Look how pretty is that. Yeah, I mean you can put this outside?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, it's for 4.
Oh, it's nice.
Yeah.
I like it. How much? Are you serious? Yeah, look at this over there. Yeah, look at the thing over on there, guys. Christmas pillows. How much is this? Let me see. No price. Oh, I like this. How much is this? 500 bucks? Here's 50. Oh, this one is 50? No. Dito na kami sa Lowe's, guys. Hold on, guys. Hold on. Ay, what the heck? Naghanap kami ng grease. Hello, this is what I've been looking for. A drawer thing. This is for like, I'm looking for something, guys. Sa ano ko, guys, yung sa under cabinet ko, maraming space, pero wala siyang drawer. So, naghanap ako ng mga, how much is this? 5 bucks. I don't know kung anong ginagawa niya yun, guys. Are you looking for the thing? What we're looking? Grace? Is the Grace here?
Yeah, one.
Grace this? Is Grace? No. Sammy's Dream Grill, guys.
Garbage?
Is that garbage? What is it over there? He likes that thing. It's really long. It's like outdoor thing. Huh? Heading to Walmart na, guys. Walmart na tayo kasi ano. Hello, guys. Look at this, guys. I don't see this. This is the first time I saw this. Hershey Mint Cookie Layer Crunch. It's a mint, guys. Hi, guys. We are done here. Slow down, B-boy. And we're heading to get some lunch for his mom, for my mother-in-law, and also, pick up some. Pick up. There's always a lot of birds. I'll pick up stuff over there for MUKBANG.
You go left here, right?
Yeah, left. And then you go ahead and then you don't have to go exit. May mga snow pa rin, guys. Look, may mga snow pa. Konti na lang yung mga snow. Pero mamaya na lang, guys, may tao. Okay, guys, we got something. This is for my mukbang right here. And under there is Sammy and Mom. Hola! Hi, guys! Yeah, tapos na kaming nag-lunch. Natutulog na yun si Tami. Natutulog siya. So, yun. Nagluluto pala ako ng ano, guys. Tawag nito yung adobong baboy. So, magluluto tayo ng adobo. And, hindi ito humba, guys. Adobo po ito, guys. Peppercorn is like konting oil lang kasi may fat naman ito, di ba? So, konti lang yung ilagay natin. Na-addict ako sa Flaming Grill. So, mas maganda yung sa Flaming Grill kapag pumunta ka doon pala and then kakain ka doon and yun, doon ka kakain, mura pa. Kung doon ka talaga kakain, mura pa kasi makakain mo kung ano yung gusto mong kainin. Yun ang nakaano. Pero kung mag-take out ka, malaking gasto, maliit pa yung nakuha mo.
There are so many choices that it's hard not to pass. What is real and what is fake, and the risk we have to take. Will we know what is throwing off our balance? We cannot sink into the dark. The vertigo is getting sharp. There's something bigger than ourselves. From the ocean's that we need.
Daming lilinisin. Yan, linisin. Dami, guys. Magwalis na naman ako dito sa ginaw na panahon. Oh, this box, kailangan kong i-fold para matapon siya kasi bukas is basura. Do you need something?
Yeah.
Shut it off if there's something wrong. Don't run it because there's a lot of things in front. They're still dangling it, Han.
What?
The chin is still dangling.
Yeah.
It works, guys. Ito pala siya, guys. Nagluluto ako ng adobo. Adobo yan, guys. Look. Hindi nagbuboil ako ng tubig para sa pasta. Kasi luto kami ng pasta, adobo. Gulay na lang. Hindi ko alam kung ano. Gulay. Hindi ko pa napakain pala ito mga Juna kids ko. You better back here, yeah? You did it, Hala, uy, I need to cut your nails, baby. I need to cut your nails, baby. I need to cut your nails. Hala, be careful. Camera, sit down. Be careful with the camera, oh. Muji? Wanda muji. That's the thing about you. Huh? You have to growl. Don't growl when mama hug you. That's why I don't hug you. You don't growl. You don't growl. You don't. Oh, no. Come on, let's do it something. Tapos na akong nagluto, kakain na kami. Tapos na kami pala sa labas. Ang ganda tignan yung snow thrower, hindi yun snow blower. Snow thrower. So, maganda siya tignan, naka-attach sa lawnmower. So, sobrang ganda. Pakita ko sa inyo mamaya.
Yeah,
I'm going to end this vlog. Okay. I'm going to end this vlog, guys, because taas na siya. And nalulubat na siya, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, guys. See you sa susunod na vlog. Pakita, I'm gonna show you also, guys, what Tammy did. Una yung sasakyan. Alis na kasi sila. So, ito siya, guys. Diba? Ang ganda. I mean, okay siya tignan. Yan. This and that. So, ito yan. Maganda siya tignan. Hindi siya pangit tignan. Thank you, baby. Say bye-bye now. Bye-bye.
Bye, guys.
I'll see you Thursday, guys. Thanksgiving.
Yeah.
He's driving. I filmed with him, guys. He's like in pain. Bye, guys. See you next time, guys. Bye-bye. End ko na to, guys. Bye. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.